Number 1 says the data in the table shows how many women's shoes of each size were sold at a shoe store in one day. Use the data to make a line plot. So if we look here, size 5, there were 3 sold. So we do 3 X's on our line plot. Size 5.5, there were 2. Size 6, there were 5. Size 6.5, there weren't any, so we just leave it blank. Size 7, there were 6. 7.5, there were 7. Size 8, there were 7. Size 8.5, there were 4. In size 9, there were 2. Then it wants to know what size shoe was not sold on this day. So if we look, there's only one that had none, which is size 6.5. Then it wants to know which sizes were most frequently sold on this day. The 2 sizes that had the most sold was size 7.5 and 8. They both had 7 shoes sold, which is more than any of the other ones. Number 2 says fill in the exponent to make a true number sentence. 3,700 divided by 10 to the blank equals 37. So our decimal point starts here and it moves right here to make it 37. So it goes 2 spots to the left, which means it would be 10 to the second. Next, we have 67,536. Our decimal point starts here, and it moves between the 6 and the 7. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 spots to the left, so divided by 10 to the 4th. And the last one is 712 divided by 10 to the blank equals 712,000. So again, it starts here. Our decimal point moves right here. 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the 3rd. Number 3 says, choose the best answer. So we have 9 3/5 minus 8 6/7. So since we have a 5 and a 7, we have to find a common denominator. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Then we count by 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So as we see, 35 is a multiple of both 5 and 7, so we can change our denominators to 35ths. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 5 is 35. 6 times 5 is 30. We have 21 35ths minus 30 35ths. Since 21 is smaller than 30, we cannot do it. So we have to borrow from our 8. Since we borrow 1 whole, we need to add 35 35ths, since that equals 1 whole. 21 plus 35 is 56 35ths minus 30 35ths. 56 minus 30 is 26 35ths. 8 minus 8 is 0. So our answer is 26 35ths, which is this answer right here. And our last one says Darian has a $20 allowance to pay for his bus fare. He is keeping track of his spending on the table. Plot the data from the table on the grid and connect the points and answer the question. So 0 bus rides, he has $20. 1 bus ride, he has $18. 2 bus rides, he has $16. 3 bus rides, he has $14. So we know our line is going to go something like this. So it says, how many bus rides will Darian be able to take? So when he runs out of money, he's going to be able to take 10 bus rides.